I'm making my video on Daisies flowers. Daisies symbolizes innocence. You can see their beautiful dance when wind blow. Their white color attracts everyone. This tutorial will be very helpful for the beginners. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon if you are visiting for the first time. Catch me on Instagram and Facebook. Let's make a memorable journey together. I have already done my drawing on newsprint sheet. Size is 15 by 15 inches. Transfer the image on the fabric. Start applying the transparent gutta on the silk fabric. Hold your gutta properly in the hand with the right angle. When you will start to apply the gutta on the surface of the fabric, follow the drawing lines and avoid the breaks in the gutta. Your color will spread out if there is any break in the gutta outline. I have done my gutta. Let the gutta dry for 2 hours. Apply the water in the background of the design and start painting. I choose blue and dark green for my background. Make sure your fabric doesn't dry during painting. Use round brush for the deep areas of the design. Blending of two colors is difficult in silk painting, but when your fabric is wet, that time you can easily blend the colors on the surface of the fabric. Apply the yellow color drops on the wet background for visual texture. I am using yellow, green and dark green in the leaves and stems. I have already made small dots with gutta on the center of the flower. Now I am applying yellow ochre color in it. When the color dries, I will apply the dots again with gutta. Give the darks with dark brown. I am using gray, light blue and little dark brown in the flower for shading. Apply the water in the petals first, then apply the colors. I have done my painting. Now remove it from the wooden frame and iron it from the both sides. I used silk paints which are iron fixed. If you are using silk dyes, follow the instructions given on the dyes label. After ironing the fabric, dip it in the water for 3 to 5 minutes if you have used transparent gutta for outline. After 5 minutes, take out the fabric from the water and let it dry, and iron it again. My silk painting art piece is ready. I am sure you enjoyed the video. If you want to ask any question, please write in the comment box. Thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe my channel before you go. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye.